Hi, this is Bob Finberg, Lancaster Insurance Services. This morning we would like to talk about long-term care insurance. It's something that most people don't understand. It's some people that believe to this very day that their medical insurance or their Medicare will cover long-term care. And the reality is that long-term care is limited both on group medical insurance, personal medical insurance, and Medicare, especially important to those who are Medicare beneficiaries. The only way to resolve a true long-term care issue is to have long-term care insurance. And long-term care insurance is something that I specialize in. I would like to be able to give anybody here information on it that requests it. I'd like to have an interview and of course no obligation. We'll talk about long-term care in general. There are several insurance companies now doing business in California selling long-term care. I have access to all of them. And one of the most important features is called California Partnership. I find that when I'm asking that question of most of my clients, they are completely unaware that long-term care coverage is not covered under their group medical insurance, at least not to any true extent. And I also find that they have no idea what the California Partnership is. And briefly speaking, what it really means is protection of your personal assets should you get into a long-term care facility and use up your long-term care insurance. But first we have to start with we need to have a conversation about long-term care, and it does go way beyond medical insurance and way beyond Medicare. All the Medicare beneficiaries need to get in contact with me. You need to ask these questions. What is long-term care? How does it work? What are the limitations that I already have under Medicare? There is an understanding that Medicare does cover medically necessary skilled nursing facilities. What a lot of people don't understand is that the moment that you become custodial rather than progressive, Medicare stops paying. That average number is about 23 days, even though the maximum number of days that Medicare will pay for long-term care is 100. It's very, very rare that they reach 100 if the average is about 23 days. That's why there's an urgent need for long-term care. Lastly, there are some folks that believe that the state program Medicaid will take care of the problem. That's something that we need to talk about. Most people will not qualify for Medicaid, and long-term care insurance is another way of helping you qualify for it, because if you buy long-term care and you enter the claim phase, and you're in a skilled nursing facility or you elect home health care, that is another way of making sure that your assets are protected and another way to make sure that you don't get evicted from your long-term care facility. Call me about long-term care insurance. It would be really worth your while. All Medicare beneficiaries. Long-term care is extremely important to all of us. I'm Bob Finberg. This is Lancaster Insurance Services. Give me a call, 726-1337.